guys, so this Wednesday I wanted to show you a demo of RESURFX on the neck, and the reason for that is there's not a whole lot out there that's super effective for neck, for your neck. I mean, really, I know that Dysport and Botox are super effective in those lines and just the texture of the skin, but we have found in the last year that RESURFX is incredible. So you want to do 5 of these treatments spaced 4 weeks apart, and what they're doing is resurfacing the texture, and then they also promote collagen production. So you can see more on that with the RESURFX on the face as well. But I have my machine set. She's been numbing for 30 minutes and I've already cleaned her and prepped her. So I'm just gonna get going with the treatment and let you see what you can expect. Now, real quick, with the neck versus the face, her neck is gonna stay far more upset for a more extended period of time because the neck is so sensitive. That's normal. So if you decide to follow through with a treatment like this, just make sure that you do it when you don't have any big special events coming up in the next week or two. Do this in the colder months where you can wear a scarf or just when you can cover it up and keep it out of the sun. That's really important. Otherwise, I hope that this is super helpful. Share this with a friend that's interested. Like it if you like it, and comment below with any questions or comments. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start on this side, and so this treatment can be exceptionally uncomfortable if you don't have numbing cream. The numbing cream really helps the patient to relax. There are different settings on the machine, but you can only do what your patient can tolerate. It's more important to just do 5 of these in a row. And what's happening here is we are creating micro channels of heat in the skin, waking up the collagen and forcing it to grow. Her results will actually peak at 90 days, and for the first 3 treatments, she probably won't see anything. You do notice, however, that your skin, the texture, it feels a little bit better. Nikki, do you have anything to add to that?
I definitely feel that the texture felt smoother.
Okay. So Nikki is an esthetician here, and we do these treatments pretty frequently, especially in these colder months. Right now it's early March, but by the time you see this video, we'll probably be well into spring. So it's something to consider in the fall if you spend time outside. Now, as you can see, it looks like a histamine reaction, so I just want you to see where we've treated. It looks like a histamine reaction. It's going to be a little swollen. It will be red, but I'm gonna go ahead and carry on with the rest of her treatment, and I'll take a photo at the end. And if you are interested, we do offer this over at the Dermatology and Skin Cancer Center, but a lot of places do have it, and we do packages. In April and October, we run specials. I mean, there's just so much available, but I have to be honest, there's not much I've seen that makes a real big difference on your neck. This does, and so does Botox or Dysport in that area. So for your neck, little info, let me know if you have questions.